All right, welcome to the latest storm news report on Hurricane Nate. He is moments away from making landfall. As I predicted last night, when they said originally he was going to make landfall sometime late Sunday, I said, you know what, he's going so fast, I bet he makes landfall before the sun goes down on Saturday. And here we go again. Seems like the more accurate my predictions are, the worse I do. So maybe I should just start calling some crazy shit and getting a lot of stuff wrong. Alright. Sorry, I'm still in a bad mood. Like everybody's arguing about dipshitty shit. And so, as I've been pointing out, from Texas, pretty much up to Minnesota, all the way out to the East Coast, the next 3 days are going to be very moist, a bit windy, and tornadoes. Everybody loves tornadoes. And I say that sarcastically because nobody loves tornadoes except for tornado chasers. Look how much of a monster Nate is. That is a big storm with a giant train. It's a massive caboose. There's way too much junk in the trunk. Lately, people have been asking me questions about, there's a girl on YouTube who's very famous. Now, she got famous because she goes in and says that all these hurricanes are fake because she finds a satellite that doesn't have some data that matches what they're telling us. I want to remind people, I live in Houston, so she said Houston was fake. And you can ask the millions of people that were here that this hurricane was not fake. You know? So it's like, people ask me, what do you think about this? Well, living in Houston, she said it was fake, so it wasn't fake. You know, like we lost 500,000 cars. So many people lost their homes. Like, everybody's so sad. So, you know, this shit is real. That's the whole point. Like, it's the two-faced part of Harvey. Like, everybody's going to tell you both sides of everything. Like, water is wet, water is dry. Who do I believe? Well, being in Houston, I believe these are definitely real hurricanes. Having watched the sun for the last few years, I definitely think we're going to experience a lot more atmospheric instability, which will lead to a lot of crazy weather. And, you know, like I said, that's what, I know, I can be extremely accurate all year. And then people still can't tell the difference between some dipshit who keeps getting it wrong. Welcome to 2017. You know what I'm saying? Man, it's what you like. You know, if you want Felix the Cat to do your weather forecasting, go to Felix the Cat's Weather Channel. So I'm just sitting here looking at the hurricanes, and it's weird that as that grows up, this thing is pushing back. Like I said, I don't even know. We'll have to check the models here in a second. Actually, just check them now. Is this GFS? How far does it? It doesn't go out that far. Is that done loading? And this doesn't have anything on the radar for the near future, so that's good. We could use a break from hurricanes. Okay, and this is the water moisture. Holy crap. Water vapor. Look at that. Look at Nate spearheading into the trough. Now, this is the giant trough that's going to push Nate east, supposedly. And the models have been extremely accurate for a while. So, there's no reason to doubt them at this point. But yeah, this is the trough right here. And it's going to give Nathaniel a kick. So yeah, Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi. You guys are looking at some pretty bad storm surge. I know that when I finally fell asleep this morning at 11 a.m., they were saying that Louisiana and Mississippi might get 3 inches of rain. And now they're talking about 12 inches of rain in some parts. But we could see more than that, for sure. Yeah, we have an overall situation going on. For sure. So, I mean, look at that. Take a peek, a gander. That baby is huge. Look at that whole thing. It's almost as big as the Gulf, man. Yeah, we got problems. A great time for all of America to be arguing with itself over dumb shit. This is a throwaway comment I wanted to make. Everybody's talking about Harvey Weinstein, who is like the head dude of Miramax, I believe. And I lived in Hollywood for a year as a screenwriter. And the thing is, everybody's talking about how Harvey Weinstein sexually harassed a lot of women. And I don't doubt that at all. But the thing is, Harvey had a reputation for serially abusing everyone. Like, he was lampooned in multiple movies. I believe if you ever watched the show Entourage, they had a character that was literally like, they said this is basically Harvey Weinstein. And they made him a horrible asshole who always threatened to kill people and went out of his way to make people's lives miserable and ruin careers. So, you know, yes, it's sexual harassment is bad. But, man, he abused men and women. And so this whole thing where, like, men, it's if someone abuses men, it doesn't count. But if someone sexually harasses women, then it's just a horrible thing. And I'm sorry, but I'm against violence for men or women. You know? So, like, I just don't get it. It's like we're, like, pushing for equality. Like, women are equal. They should be treated the same way as men. But at the same time, you know, it's like, I don't know. I guess I'm just doing what I can to lose subscribers and viewers. It's okay, because even my own shittiness could never catch up with as fast as Google YouTube kicks me in the ass and then fucking puts me in a box. Whatever. This world just gets shittier every fucking day. Yay! Hurricanes. Sorry. Whatever. Alright, well, this is done. I don't even know if I have the strength to do this shit anymore. Alright, peace out. I'm out.